You're welcome to Green Nigeria.
11th of December 2025 will be a day women in Nigeria won't forget in a hurry. It was an event led by the team lead of 521 Limited, Dr. Jeremiah Oladokun. The program was curated to align seamlessly with the broader economic vision of the Bank of Industry and the federal government.
As an integral part of Bank of Industry, a business development service provider, it's our duty to take it upon ourselves to go to the grassroots and sensitize people on entrepreneurship mindset.
Coach Enyola, one of the resource persons, had something to say to the participants.
So the first thing that I want people to do is I want them to expand their awareness on this concept, and after now they should know more and do better.
From the north. In a major boost for female entrepreneurship in Nigeria, consulting firm 521 Limited has partnered with Bank of Industry BOI to deliver a strategic capacity building training for women in business. The initiative aims to equip women with the necessary tools to scale their enterprises, aligning with the federal government's vision for economic inclusion.
So my name is Chioma and I'm a representative of the Bank of Industry. So we help entrepreneurs. The vision is to empower entrepreneurs in Nigeria to be able to scale their profitable businesses. And I'm here to, as I said, represent BOI and to speak to women today, the women that were attending this event, on the loan products that are available to them, and also, support in other ways that we can.
The atmosphere here is one of focus and determination. These are not just business owners, they are the engines of the Nigerian economy. Organized by consulting firm 521 Limited, this training is a direct initiative of the Bank of Industry designed to bridge the knowledge gap for women entrepreneurs. According to the organizers, this program is more than just a workshop. It is a strategic alignment with the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, specifically targeting the ease of doing business for women. Mr. Jeremiah Oladokun, the lead organizer for 521 Limited, explains the core objective.
All right, so I'm a lead consultant and a business development service provider for Bank of Industry. 521 Limited is a renowned management and entrepreneurial consultant. We've been on ground, we've been in the grassroots, mentoring people, tutoring them on how to scale up, how to start up businesses, and we monitor and evaluate their growth. So we don't just tutor them alone, we still follow them up. And as an integral part of Bank of Industry, a business development service provider, it's our duty to take it upon ourselves to go to the grassroots and sensitize people on entrepreneurship mindset, because most of the problems that we have in the business industry is the mindset, and a lot of businesses collapse because of their mindset. A lot of businesses cannot even start because of their mindset. So we have a lot, and today we just felt we put our teams together and we funded a free summit for women, because we know that the world can grow, the economy can get larger with more women inclusive. And we're happy we're able to get a successful program today on women entrepreneurship mindset. Okay. And all that came, you heard what the BOI representative said. Chioma Oakim, when she said virtually everyone that came here was lucky.
Validation of the program came from the highest level. A representative of the managing director of the Bank of Industry was present to endorse the curriculum and cheer on the participants. The bank reaffirmed its confidence in 521 as a consultant capable of driving this vision, offering the women a clearer perspective on how to access and manage single-digit interest loans and government interventions.
Chioma, 521 Limited has organized the Summit for Women.
An amazing event.
Yeah, that's what I want to hear from you.
In fact, I feel like I should pay you people. I took advantage of this event. The way I benefited from these events.
Wow.
So such an impactful event.
Wow.
Dr. Jerry did an amazing job. He did an amazing job schooling these women, not just on what is available, but as a business owner, the mindset you should have, which I think that's more important than even giving them resources. So it was a very beneficial event, and everyone that was privileged to be here was very lucky.
It might also interest you to know.
Okay, so I spoke about GLOW. GLOW means Guaranteed Loans for Women. So it's a women-focused, gender-inclusive financing that we have. We are focused solely on women-owned businesses. We don't want any man to come and take advantage of it. So as I mentioned, the interest rate for that is as low as 7%. The obligor limit, that is the capacity to which each woman can take per business, is 50 million. So you have smaller businesses, 10 million and below, that business names that can take up to 10 million, and then those registered as limited liability company can take as much as 50 million. Yes.
But for the participants, the biggest takeaway wasn't just about money. It was a shift in mentality.
My main take home, let me say my number one take home is, one's mindset. They made mention of mindset. Truly, that's one's mindset is a big one for me, because I know that mindset towards something has limited me, truly, is a major one for me, because by the time you set your mind that this thing, I'm going to do it, definitely it will achieve you. But when you achieve it, but when that mindset, you put your mind that, no, this thing I cannot achieve, truly you cannot achieve it. But when you set your mind on it, truly you will achieve it. Wow. Secondly is having capacity. That is another one again. Truly, just like example of that guy, he didn't really have the capacity, so they gave him more than he could carry. So when you have the capacity, because it's also an experience. So you having experience is also part of the capacity. So when you have experience, definitely you have that capacity to carry whatever that is given to you for you to deliver.
I have value-packed events this afternoon, and I do not take it for granted. I want to appreciate the organizers of this event, the 521 consultants. I really value what they have put together this afternoon.
Me, as a National Lady President, I won't be talking about myself. I'll be talking about other people that came with me. It's an eye-opener for maybe what we've been telling them on how they can improve their businesses. They've had another voice. So for me, it's an interesting section, and it will help me to have a soft landing with other members now. Because the same thing we've been preaching, now to go about your business, how you can do more.
With initiatives like this, the collaboration between the Bank of Industry and private consultants like 521 is proving that when women in business are empowered, the nation thrives.
I will give thanks to Almighty God, and at the same time, I will say thank you to the MD, CEO of Bank of Industry, Dr. Olashopo Olusi, who through the General Manager, Business Development Head, Dr. Obaro Osa, gave me this opportunity and my team, and we are able to serve people through our own service that we can deliver. So I believe we have a long way to go because a lot of people out there don't even know what happens in Bank of Industry. And that's what we're trying to do. We're training them and at the same time introducing them to funding opportunities for those that have genuine businesses.
Meshach Yage, Green Nigeria Radio.